Hello, welcome to TechWeb Dots. Today I will discuss about AI models deployment services. This session is very important for AI engineers, data scientists and users who want to build, deploy and monetize their AI models. And in this session itself, I will show you a live demo step by step how you can deploy your model and create an app through which you can also monetize your model. Okay, so let's go ahead without wasting time. So you must be already aware about many AI models: ChatGPT, Google Bard, DALL-E with based on OpenAI, YOLO and AlphaGo, and there are many more models available in the market. Behind each model there is a deployment service which is playing a very key role that I would like to highlight here. So AI model deployment involves hosting machine learning models to make predictions or decision in real time. These services streamline the processes of moving from deployment to production. And key features of these services include security, scalability, and cost effectiveness. And they also provide integration with cloud environments in simplified manner. And they also provide automated workflows for model management. And there are many popular industries like finance, healthcare, and retail where these deployment services are playing key role. Okay, apart from this, core challenges also exist with AI model deployment. For example, scalability. Ensure the AI model can handle large scale data and numerous requests without compromising the performance, including high performance CPUs, GPUs, or TPUs are essential for training at scale. Next, latency and real-time inference. Managing low latency response times, especially in real-time applications where immediate decisions are critical. Model versioning and lifecycle management. Tracking and managing the different versions of the AI models while ensuring proper updates and backward compatibility, which is important. Infrastructure cost management. So balancing the cost of compute, storage, and cloud resources for training and deploying AI models while keeping operational cost within budget. This is very important because when we talk about the deployment of any AI model, we have to think about the whole budget because we need heavy configuration CPU and many more different configuration that plays a key role. Security and privacy. Safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring compliance with privacy regulations, for example GDPR, while deploying AI models, especially in industries like healthcare and finance, is very important. And the last one, monitoring and logging system. Continuous monitoring of AI models is vital for performance, resource utilization, and detecting anomalies. Logging systems help in tracking the models and predicting the system health for debugging and optimization purpose that plays a key role. So all these core challenges also part of the AI model deployment. Now I would like to introduce VIPAS.AI here, who is the sponsor of this video as well. VIPAS.AI is a platform where you can deploy your AI model quickly. So it's a cloud platform designed for AI developers, data scientists, and users who want to build, deploy, and monetize AI model applications easily. And it also provides a unified place where AI apps and models can be created, shared, and monetized, and making it easier for developers to distribute their work and for users to access advanced AI tools. This platform also supports both real-time and synchronous inference, which allows for flexibility in how AI models handle tasks for immediate response to more complex and long-running processes. VIPAS.ai is developer friendly with SDKs available for Python, making it more accessible for integrating AI into applications efficiently. And it also enables creators to earn revenue from their models and apps with a transparent fee structure, fostering an ecosystem for innovations. Let me show you the portal overview, then we come back here. To go to the portal, you just need to type vipas.ai in your address bar and the portal will open. And this portal is designed in a very neat and clean way. You can see every section is self-explanatory. You can search for existing applications or models. You just click on search, and in the type you can filter it out. Either you want to search for applications, or if you want to search for models, you can quickly find out here. I have just signed up, so I can see all this model and I can run any of the model. And if you will see in your account and you click on payment section, you will see you will also get the user credit to use the existing models, and you will also get the developer credit that you can use, right? And it is designed to cover everything, whatever your interaction, your developer credit, user credit, earnings, and your deduction. Everything is here, right? If you go to dashboard, we can see all the existing application or the one that you liked, right? You can see the existing models, applications, and for pricing I was talking about, there's a clear policy defined which is straightforward here for its uses, monetization, benefits, and its listing, right? Everything is neat and clean. You can come here and take a look. You will get all the information that you need. So let me show you one demo how you can upload your own model and create an app on top of it through which you can earn a great revenue. Okay, so steps are very simple, right? And some configuration that will help you to complete all these things step by step. So if you click on create, right? First, we need to create a model, right? Before creating an app on top of it. So here, everything we call it a project. So we have to provide the project name. So I'm giving the project name here, Mosaic Generator Model. Okay, the type I am selecting here, model I want to create here. Category I am selecting image enhancement, and price I can set it here. Let's upload an image for model generation. So let me select the Mosaic model one, hit open. So our image is uploaded successfully. Now here I can set the permissions. For example, search availability, I want to make it public. API access, I want to make it public. And code, I want to keep it private. Okay, now I have to provide the description of this model. So make sure you provide a meaningful description and meaningful details, and this is a alphanumeric one, so special characters will not be allowed here. So I am saying my description is Mosaic generator model. In the details section you can mention everything, including your functional configuration, your behavior configuration of the model, or technical configuration. Everything you can include here. So for the model, I have already created this HTML blog through which I can add the details quickly without wasting your time. Okay, so I'm adding this text which is very much relevant with the Mosaic model. I want to keep the HTML that I'm copying. See, these things are successfully copied here and well formatted. Okay, here we need to agree the term and conditions, and we first need to create. Okay, so let me check everything we filled correctly. So name we have given, and make sure whatever name you are providing, you cannot change it in future. You can change the pricing, you can change the category, right? And even you can change the permission as well, but name you will not be able to change. Okay, so let's create this model first. I hit on the create button. Let's wait for the notification. It says project created successfully. It means now we can go to the next step. Okay, I click on next. Now it is asking for a few more things. What framework you wanted to use. So if you see this info icon, it gives you all the information that you wanted to know, right? So it supports multiple type of framework and the model that you wanted to choose. Okay, if I click here, the one that I wanted to show you is ONNX, right? It's Open Neural Network model that we can select from here. Here we need to provide some configuration parameter. So if you are aware about ONNX, then you should already know we have to provide this configuration. Let me put the value here. Input 1, output 2, 1. Okay, yeah, type we need to select FTP32, the model that I wanted to use. Type FP32. Okay, here I should use 1, comma 3, comma 224, okay. And you can see we are also getting this as a watermark, but it's up to you what value you want to use. Okay, let me paste it here as well. Okay, so configuration is set. So I always suggest you to check the info icon whenever you feel any doubt. Okay. Okay, now it's time to upload the model. If I choose file, so I should select my ONNX model. So you see the name of my model is same, right? So right now this is what the expected name that should be using during your model creation when you are using this platform. Okay, let me click on upload. So very quickly it should be uploaded under this model creation. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's getting loaded here. Now we can see model uploaded successfully and we get the notification. Okay, it means now we can go to the next step. Okay, I click on next. Now here you can see the base image we need to select, which is already there. So we don't need to do anything. There's no problem at all. If you want to learn more about base image, so here's a link through which you can learn. Okay, now you have to provide the processor file for this uploaded model that I put in my GitHub repo. Okay, so this is my GitHub repo. Don't worry about any link. Everything you will get in the description of this video. So let me copy this GitHub URL and let's go back. I'm providing the GitHub URL here. I also need to provide the access token here that I have created under my GitHub account. Okay, let me provide the token as well. After providing the token, you need to hit on the pull icon or pull button. Okay, then you will see in this bottom table, you will see the file is successfully pulled from the GitHub repo. This is only one file that you should keep under your repo. Okay, now everything is okay here till this point. Now we need to hit on the build, right? If you click on the build, then you will see a success notification, build initiated. It means now we can go to the next step. After clicking on next step, now it is allowing us to view all the things that we have set up so far. Okay, either it is related to permission, okay, or it is related to description that we have provided, right, and the uploaded files that we have used for the configuration. So let me click on finish for now. Okay, now you can see, right, this is my project, one of the project entry that says MDL. It means it's a model entry. Now what is the next step that we should do? You should click under actions, click on three dots, and you should click on launch, right? Now it should successfully launch this model. You can see now the launching is in progress. If you want to see more details, what is happening behind the scene, you can just click on this ID. So you will see more detailed updates. For example, model ID is this, model status is staged, build status success, and deployment status which is going on. So let's wait for a couple of seconds and then this deployment status will be updated. Now we can see the status is deployed. It means now we are good to go to create our application. Okay, now if I hit create from here, right, one more thing I forgot to tell you. If we go back, right, you can see this is the model ID that we need to use in the app creation, because we need to also tell the app which model we wanted to use under the underlying application. Okay, let me copy the model ID link. Now I should click here create. Okay, so first he need to provide the name of the application that we want to create. So let me name it here Mosaic App. Okay, and we also need to provide the model ID. Let me paste here that we just copies. It will start from MDL, right, and the type will be app, which is fine. Category, it can be miscellaneous or the model that you are uploading. It's up to you what you wanted to use. Let me upload the image for the application. Let me use this application that I've already created. Looks good, right? As of now, I am not able to create the price, but first let me set the permissions. It is public. Anyone can run and access it, right? But code I want to keep it private. Okay, now you see the price is also enabled for me now. Okay, now I am putting here the 1 rupee for this application to be used. Okay, that will be charged. Okay, now once your authorized model that you have provided, you should click on add icon. So behind the scene, it validated either the model is really exist or not, or it is in proper state so that our application can use it for the prediction. Okay, here again, you need to provide the meaningful description, or you can mention here, it's a very good Mosaic application, right? Or Mosaic art generator, or whatever you want. And I also created a blog for the application that I can easily use, right? Let me copy here. Okay, some text. Let me copy and paste it. You can always update it later as well. Okay. So here I'm trying to paste. Okay, and it is saying yes, keep the source formatting. See, the whole data that I pasted here isn't formatted, right? Every link, everything is same. Now we need to agree the term and condition here. You can read it on clicking on this term and condition link. Okay, let's verify everything is fine. Now let me hit on create. Okay, and ideally we should see the notification project created successfully. So now we are good to go. Let's hit on next. What are the other things that we need to do here? So base image is already here. We don't need to worry about anything. No need to worry about any underlying infrastructure, what it should use. So VIPAS.AI is taking care of everything. Now this time again, for the application to generate prediction and everything, I have also created an app.py file which will support the whole application processing. Okay, so you should also keep it in a separate repo that I've already created. Okay, and this is public, you can also use it. But before that, we also need to update this app.py. Why? Let me show you right away. I just logged into my repo. If you see in this app.py file, you will see under definition in this predict image, we have to provide the model ID that we wanted to use. Now we are good to update the model ID. Okay, I just pasted successfully, and let me just commit this change, and commit message should be apply model ID, right? Similarly, no need to provide any other thing. We are good to go. This file is updated. Now what I can do, I can just use this repo. How? Very simple. I will just copy this link of this repo. Let me go back to the application creation. Let me provide here, and again we need to provide the pad token. Let me provide the pad token for this so that we can successfully pull the app.py file on the VIPAS.ai platform. So I provided the pad token and I just hit on pull, so you can see our file is successfully pulled on this platform. Okay, now the next step is we should click on build and see that everything is fine so that we are good to go for creating of this application. So token provided, hit on build. Okay, the build for this is already in progress. Please wait until the finished. Okay, so it means we are good to go, right? The build is already initiated and we can go to the next step. Okay, I hit on next and let me minimize. Okay, so now again it is showing us a review screen. We can verify what we have selected for this application, our permissions, model, description, right, and the uploaded files. Okay, everything is good. We just need to hit on finish, right? So now you can see our Mosaic app is also created as a project and it is starting from app, right? So click on launch, right? We should did that, and the moment I click on launch, it status immediately updated to launch in progress, right? And now we can see the status of Mosaic app and model is successfully launched. It means now we can use this application, right? That's a very good thing. So you can launch from multiple places. Let me open it from here, right? So now we can see our description, our name of the application, and if you want to share this application with anyone, yes, you can, definitely you can. You can just copy the link of this application and anyone can use it. They just need to come here on the VIPAS.AI portal and they can use this application. Okay, Let me see how it works. So you can see run button is enabled for me and I can run this application immediately. Let me click on run. So now things are happening. It is launching my application and see it is asking for a mosaic art generator app is ready. So what I need to do, just provide an input image and it will produce the output mosaic immediately. Let me use this cat image, okay, and see the image is getting uploaded here. And once upload is finished, then definitely it should ask from us to convert an image into a mosaic avatar or mosaic image. Okay, yeah, it's going. Okay, so it says it's uploaded successfully. Now you just need to click on convert image, so it will give you a mosaic one. Oh, it's loading. So you can see here this icon says things are happening behind the scene. It's running, it's processing right behind the scene, and very soon we're going to get the image. You can see image is successfully generated, and this is the uploaded one and this is the processed one. A beautiful mosaic style image is generated for us, and you can use it for multiple purpose. And see how it looks like for your created application. You just need to click on dashboard. Okay, so your dashboard is loading now. So you can see under my apps, you will see the app that you have created, right? And you can see the model that you created, right? You will see there's a 0.5 paisa is applicable for my model. And you can see the Mosaic app, right, that we have created. The 1.5 paisa is additional price, right? That says a 0.5 paisa is applicable as a infrastructure charge. If you have any doubt, it's not about ONNX model is only supported. If you go to docs.vipas.ai, you will see a rich set of documentation is available here, right? If you scroll down for running an app, creating a model, dashboard, browser, everything is available, right? If you go for the developer support, you will see creating a model, right? We can see PyTorch, XGBoots, ONNX. There are multiple options are available, and we have very rich documentation that you can go through. If you go to homepage, you can see they are organizing the AI Verse Hackathon, right? In which you can participate and win up to 30,000 cash, right? And all the details of this AI Verse Hackathon you can get on this page, right? You can see all the Q&As are mentioned here. What are the terms and condition? What are the things that you need to do? But majorly, you just need to upload your AI model and your AI apps by October 30th. Okay? So don't forget to participate in this. Let's go back. Hope you like the demo of the VIPAS AI application. Let me know if you have any question, just drop into the comment box. I will try to reply on that as soon as possible as usual. And till the time, bye bye, take care, see you next time.